So, welcome to the project plan. Now, this is the second document. This is the sheet where you're going to see what actually the project plan is. As we have completed the project proposal, in that we saw summary, the different project phases. Now, here you can see the TPCS WordPress app deployment on AWS. So, this is the title, and this is a summary where you see the project name, project manager, Mr. Manoj, then he's a project legend, the project consultant, Monica, Shrisha, Bipin. So start date and end date is provided, and you can see the color bars over here: in progress, completed, and not started. So when you give a status, if you have a status that these things are completed or these things are in progress, in this thing you can mention the color. So if it is not started, you give this color, or if it is completed, you just mark dark green. And then there are different project phase. As I have explained you, different project phase, it comes from planning phase, build phase, UAT phase, and stabilization phase, and the last is handover phase. So under the project phase, there are different topics. As you can see, there is a start date, end date you can provide, there are status, as I told you now, and to whom it is assigned, and what remarks they have given over this. So in planning phase, it will be from logical architecture to the low level design. So this is, as you can see the color, it is in progress and the status is being given. In build phase, you can look for creating an AWS account to deploy the WordPress site. So in that you can see the remarks are given. Once the region is set, it's done. The region name is also provided here in remark that Mumbai has been set. Once the policies are set, IMA roles are set, and then configure connectivity, like all these things comes into build phase. Whatever we have looked for, all the points we have covered in the proposal, all these things are considered, and once they have been created, they are marked progressed or completed, or if they are in progress. And then remarks are also given to whom it is assigned. You can write the name, who actually needs the work to be done, we can give. Then UAT phase comes where you see that access to the WordPress site from outside is done. Then you can give a start date and end date to this task. You can give remark for that. And then stabilization phase. So stabilization will hold, as I said, the bugs. And in handover phase, the documents and credentials will be handover. All this will come with the start date, end date to be processed. It will be the status will be given, assignments will be done by the person, and the remarks will be given. So this is how a plan looks like. Oh, an outlook, or we can say a layout. In this sheet we can say how this proper project plan looks like. So there are different tools like Microsoft Project is there, Jira is there. There are different tools which can be used, but a simple way to explain and easy to understand, I have given you this layout, like how actually the phase is done. The next is, and then we see this planning phase, and last handover phase. So from so what actually comes here is the summary will be given, like whatever the project summary will be there, and then the project phases will be given. So in planning will only be considered that planning phase till the handover phase, all these phases will come. So we'll stop here, and the next we are going to look is for execution. So let's stop here. As you got this, if you have any doubts, please refer the proposal so that you can come to know the project task. So let's stop and we'll move on to the execution.